Alright, Blender rigging animation tutorial. First off, you're going to want to go to the models resource, get yourself a cool model like Bowser here. Cool guy, love this guy. Alright, you're going to want to extract a 7-zip. You're going to have it right here. He's an OBJ file, so you can come into here. I've already done it here. I've already done this once. You can do import wavefront OBJ. Hold up. 1 second. Delete this. We don't need this. Delete key. File. Import wavefront OBJ. Bowser. For you, it'll come up like this. You're going to want that. And starting out, this light over here is going to be some weak sauce number like 10. You can't even see the guy like that. So you're going to want a better number like 2000. 2000 is far superior to 10. So then you can come over here in object mode. Select this. This is your world cursor where everything, like your origin point. So put that there. Hit Shift A. Shift A. Armature. That adds an armature to the scene. Then you can come down here and hit in front so you can see it even when it's inside the guy, like bones are. So you're going to want to go into edit mode where you have your armature selected. The G is the grab hotkey, so you can click that, grab it around. And then E is to extrude. So now you can just, make some bones. You got a torso, you got a head, you got a tail. Now when you're in edit mode, you can bring your cursor over here and just hit Shift A and it'll automatically add a bone right there and it'll be a part of this armature. And that's very good stuff. So then you have to have this selected up here. You can't have your cursor out or your origin and select parts of a bone. And then it's still in edit mode, so I'm going to bring my cursor over here, Shift A, this guy, bring him down, boom, boom, and then you get the idea. The rest isn't important, so I'm going to go into object mode. Now to parent the object to the armature, I'm going to select the object, the mesh, and then hold Shift and select the armature. Then I'm going to press Ctrl plus P. That's going to bring up this parenting thing, but with automatic weights, because I selected the armature last. So now, if I click on the armature, go into pose mode, he'll automatically do what I want to. So now, you can set keyframes on each individual bone, just like that. And each bone that I don't set a keyframe for will not be affected. Just like that, then you can render your animation like you've seen before, and of course it'll show through the camera. Good stuff, good stuff. Alright, so cool. There's your Full Sail University education. Have fun.